That is going to be the ideology of this test team, where it won't be about individual centric, it will be about team.
Every batsman, every bowler, hats off to him.
Yeah, really pleasing, really happy and really proud of the way we've all played and how we've represented our country.
I think this series will forever be special in my life.
Well, honestly, it's very humbling at the moment.
What an amazing team we have.
हमेशा सपना रहा है कि इंडिया रिप्रेजेंट करना और किसी फॉर्म में हम कर रहे हैं तो अच्छा लगता है.
I'm feeling very ecstatic and high right now, and very happy with the way everyone performed. Very happy with the way everyone contributed throughout the series. Different people stepping in at different moments. This is what you want as a captain, and very happy the way I performed as a batsman as well.
Extremely special and I think right up there in terms of the best test series that I've been part of. Yeah, really pleasing, really happy and really proud of the way we've all played and how we've represented our country.
The way the boys have fought, I've always been a big believer you should always get what you deserve, not what you want. And I think guys deserve it.
It's an incredible effort from everybody, each and everybody that's around. The physios especially, I think, deserve a lot of credit. The massios along the team as well. To get us in shape, to get us up and running. Today morning, to come back, warm up again, to get on the field was incredible. I think the credit goes to the whole team here. Loving it.
To be not gonna lie कि मेरे को जाते थोड़ा प्रेशर तो फील हो रहा था क्योंकि ओवरकास्ट कंडीशन थी. कीपिंग करना इतना इजी नहीं होता क्योंकि बॉल स्विंग करता है विकेट पास होने के बाद. तो वही था कि एक क्रूशियल कोई रन आउट आए, कैच आए, वो पकड़ूं और 22 ना दूं. तो बस वही था कि यार कम से कम रन देने इनको क्योंकि वो कुछ ट्राई करेंगे क्योंकि विकेट्स नहीं है उनके पास. तो वही हुआ.
Siraj started off really well. That first wicket was really important for us to take the momentum towards our way, and from there I think it was all very close, hit and miss, and I think we stood up on the right side.
All 5 days you need to put in different kind of energy to be able to contribute to the team and be able to win a lot of situations in the games. I think it's been a massive learning for me this season.
So the bonding that we have together, the environment that's been created, it's been amazing. Just cherish this moment to come away to England and draw the series.